Today, we will be making pumpkin cookies. First, we put in 1 1/4 cup softened butter, and we mix it all up until it's nice and creamy. And then we add 1 cup of brown sugar, and we mix that into the butter as well, just to make it nice and creamy. We just mix everything up, and then we add 1 egg. And again, we just mix it into the butter and sugar until it's nice and creamy. Now we're just going to put 1 cup of pumpkin puree into the mixture. Make sure we get every bit out of there because we don't want to be wasteful. And we're just going to mix that into our butter and sugar mixture. And then we add some flour. We need 2 cups of flour. And then we also need 1 1/4 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice. If you don't have pumpkin pie spice, you can just put cinnamon in there. And then 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And we just mix all of our dry ingredients and wet ingredients all together until they're nice and smooth. Now we're just going to spray our pan with some cooking spray. And we're going to use a cookie scoop and put our cookies neatly on our baking sheet. And try to make them all the same size, that way they will bake evenly. Once our cookies are all on the pan, we'll just put them into the oven. Turn it at 350 degrees. And we're just going to bake them for about 10 to 12 minutes. And now for the frosting, we're going to need 3 tablespoons of butter and melt that with 1/4 cup of brown sugar. Boil it for like 1 minute and then remove it from the heat and add 1/4 cup of milk. Then we're going to add also about 1 1/2 tablespoons of pumpkin puree and mix that in, and then the powdered sugar. We need about 3 cups of powdered sugar depending on the texture. You can add a little bit of powdered sugar at a time, and if you need a little bit more milk, you just add more milk. If you need more powdered sugar, you add more powdered sugar, just depending on your texture. I'm just going to add a little bit more of powdered sugar because it seems like it needs to be a little bit thicker. Now, I didn't put a 1/4 cup of milk in right away, so just put a little bit of it in at a time, and you might end up using around a 1/4 cup. I'm just going to stir that around again because we don't want it too thick, or otherwise it won't stay on the cookies. That's a very pretty color with a little bit of pumpkin puree in there. I think that looks about right. Look at that. Looks so yummy. All right, now we're gonna check if our cookies are ready. Okay, now we just need to cool it for a little bit, and then I'm going to put it on our cooling rack. Wow, they look very pretty with that orangish pumpkin color. And then all there is to do is frost the cookies after the cookies are cooled down. Oh, these are going to be so delicious. They're very soft. I'm just going to take a bite to make sure they're good. Oh my goodness, they are so good.